Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra appeared in yet another listing ahead of its rumored launch in January. The S938U, which is likely the US variant of the phone, made its way on a camera FV5, which has several details on its main camera. The shooter will feature a 23.2mm equivalent focal length and f/1.7 aperture with shots outputted in 12.5MP with a maximum resolution of 4080 by 3060px. The sensor area is listed at 71.9 mm2. Per the latest Galaxy S25 Ultra rumors, the device will be equipped with a 200MP main cam, just like its predecessor, which bins pixels in a 16:1 formation and outputs 12.5MP shots by default. Samsung is also expected to bring a 50MP IMX854 telephoto with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP IMX754 telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP Samsung JN3 ultra-wide lens. Samsung's upcoming Ultra flagship is also expected to bring a Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite chipset, 5000 mAh battery, and support for 45W wired charging.